Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best boho bedding queen comforter set available, the Andency Queen Comforter Set in dark emerald green. If you're looking to transform your bedroom with a stylish, comfortable, and all-season bedding set, this might just be the perfect choice for you. The Andency Queen Comforter Set comes as a complete 7-piece bed in a bag, featuring a comforter, pillow shams, pillowcases, a flat sheet, and a fitted sheet, all designed to work harmoniously to elevate your bedroom's aesthetic. The dark emerald green color adds a touch of luxury and vibrancy that complements a variety of decor styles, especially those with a bohemian flair. One of the standout features of this set is the unique geometric tufted design on the comforter and sheets. This textured pattern adds depth and sophistication without overwhelming your space, giving your bedroom a fresh and modern boho chic vibe. The design manages to strike a balance between elegance and a laid-back, cozy feel that invites relaxation. In terms of materials, the set is crafted from 100% microfiber polyester fabric, which is brushed to offer a soft, smooth, and slightly silky feel to the touch. This high-density fabric is built to last. It resists ripping and shrinking, which means your bedding will maintain its quality and look even after many washes. The premium filling inside the comforter is lightweight yet fluffy, making it suitable for all seasons, whether you need warmth during cooler nights or a breathable layer in the summer. Practicality is clearly a focus with this set. The fitted sheet boasts an elastic deep pocket measuring 14 inches, allowing it to snugly fit mattresses of various thicknesses without slipping off. The stitching and seams throughout are straight and even, reflecting careful construction that ensures durability and a polished appearance. Care for the Andency Comforter Set is simple and convenient. It is machine washable on a gentle cycle with cold water and can be tumble dried on low heat. After washing and drying, the set retains its softness and fluffiness without requiring ironing. This low-maintenance feature makes it ideal for busy lifestyles or anyone who prefers hassle-free bedding. The comforter itself measures 90 by 90 inches, fitting queen-sized beds perfectly. The pillowcases and shams add to the cohesive look of the bedding, while the included sheets complete the set for a coordinated and effortless bedroom makeover. If you want to bring a touch of bohemian charm into your home with a set that feels both luxurious and comfortable, the Andency Queen Comforter Set in dark emerald green is a fantastic option. Its combination of style, quality materials, and thoughtful design details make it stand out in the crowded market of bedding sets. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in bedding that blends boho style with comfort and ease of care, this set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.